Today, refinery profitability is continuously at risk because operational realities within the plant conflict with planning objectives and targets. Reclaim lost profits and accelerate time to decision with Beyond Limits Refinery Operations Advisor. The advisor identifies off-plan behavior and makes fast, accurate, consistent recommendations to bring the plant back in line with planning goals. The live view provides complete situational awareness to identify process degradations, bottlenecks, and other operational upsets, scale and optimize decision-making with near real-time recommendations that include cognitive trace, an audit trail that explains each recommendation from the system. Gain operational insights, improve shift performances, enhance analysis of operations, and benefit from complete global awareness. See the value of cognitive AI come to life with an intuitive user experience that everyone in your refinery can operate and understand. With Beyond Limits Refinery Operations Advisor, you can manage operations across your entire refinery using a centralized AI system you can trust. Contact us for a demo.